everyone, welcome back to an amazing session with us. Today we are going to finish India's size and location of grade 9 by study course. So today we are going to do this lesson about India, which is short and simple, which can be covered in at least 10 minutes. So we are not going to go deep. We are going to talk about the main topics and what topics are going to come for the examination and all those stuff. So when we talk about India, what do we first remember? When we talk about India, we'll remember its culture and what we'll remember more. Any guesses? So when we talk about India, first and the foremost thing that we are going to remember is our ancient time. So when we were in the old periods of time, we had so much knowledge. So we wanted to know so much knowledge, like what is that, what is this, what is the size of the India, what is the location of the India. All these stuff were happened. So today we are going to learn this lesson, and let's go. So first, when we come in the part of the introduction, we can see that India is one of the oldest world civilization in the world. It is the seventh largest country by area and second most populous country. Populous means children, more number of people. Okay, more number of people. Okay, largest means the size. So located in South Asia, it has a unique geographical position. So let us come to the next one. Location of India. Location of India. So latitudinal extent is this much, 8 degrees 4 north and 37 degrees 6 north. Longitudinal extent is this much, children, 68 degrees 7 east, 97 degrees 25 east. Tropical Cancer is 23.5 degrees north, which passes through the middle of India, cutting it into two equal halves like this. Neighboring countries are these, children: Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, and Maldives. We all know Sri Lanka is going to be over here. We know Myanmar is somewhere here, China, Pakistan, and all those stuff. So that is what we are going to learn today. So first we have to learn what is the size. So we are going to learn the size. We are going to learn the size of India. So the size of India total area is 3.28 million square kilometers. So it is this much square kilometers. So when we compare the world with India in it, it is only 3.28 square kilometers. Means if only India is this much, imagine how much would be the other countries, right? And it covers 24% of the world's land. It covers, like, this is a world map, children. That think. So here it only covers this much, 2.4%. So land boundary. Let us talk about India's land boundary. It is 15,200 kilometers. So when we come to coastline, it is 7,516 kilometers, including the islands. So north and south distance is more than east and west distance. Means it's saying that longitude distance is more than the latitude distance. Okay. So 2933. Next. Oh, you want to know this, children? These numbers? You may please take a screenshot of it. I am pleased. Yeah. Take a screenshot of this. Done, children? Okay, we'll move on to the next one. So now we are going to talk about India's position in the world. Okay, its position in the world. Located entirely in the northern and eastern hemispheres, tragic location. So this is entirely in the northern and eastern and northern hemisphere, children. Tragic location means it is close to sea routes. So we have so many. We have Arabian Sea here, Bay of Bengal, and Indian Ocean. So it is so near to all the three seas that it has easy access to all the sea routes for training. So connects Europe, Africa, and Southeast Asia. So it is going to connect India to this Southeast Asia, Europe, and Africa. India's neighbors. So when we casually want some tea powder, coffee powder, we'll go to our neighbors. We'll ask them. You will not ask, but some people are there. So like that also, India has some neighbors, but we'll not ask anything. Land borders are when land borders means children on land. So maritime borders means children, it is sea, it is on sea. So when we come to land, it is Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar. When we come to sea borders, children, Sri Lanka and Maldives, and of course Lakshadweep is not our neighbor, children, but it is part of India, and Andamar Nicobar. So, significance. Let us talk about the significance, children. Trade and commerce, yeah, it will do so much trade, children. Access to major sea routes. Big commerce, see, trade means like you can trade that. Like if you give some pencil to your friend, the friend will give you something else in return, like that. Like that, India also used to have some buddies. Next is culture and exchange. So many people came to our India to change or give their culture. So exchange of cultures influenced by neighboring civilizations. So this is China, children. This China is going to give its culture to India. India is going to spread it in various parts of its country. That is called cultural exchange. Strategic importance, strong defense position. It has a strong defense position. If someone comes to attack them, they can attack them in reverse. Tourism, diverse landscape that attracts tourism. Tourism means, children, we have many landscapes that you can watch. So next is our time zone in India. Indian Standard Time IST 82.5 East longitude, Misrapur, UP. This is what we're going to follow because it the sun rises 2 hours early to the east corner and west corner. There is 2 hours gap of the sunrise. Single time zone for the whole country. Difference from the GTM. GTM means global managing time. Something is there, but we don't need about it. It is plus 5 hours. That conclusion. So finally, we have come to the conclusion. India's yeah, India's large size and strategic location make it geographically significant. That is what we learned in the first PDF. So let us see what have we learned. So what it we learned about its location, how it made it very significant. Okay, that we learned. Okay, done. So then we have learned its diverse cultures and climates and landscapes. Just now we have learned the significance of India's location, which is trade routes are available, culture exchange is available, strategic importance is available, and tourism is also available. Yeah, we have just learned that. So next we have learned how it plays a key role in global trade and politics. So and here only, children, comments means like exchange kind of thing, and its neighbors we have learned its neighbors, its position in the world also we have learned, and its size, of course, its size, and its location, and the introduction for all this chapter and how India is the oldest civilization in the world. So thank you so much, children. Like I really wanted to tell you guys that there is a new video coming up for your geography chapter number 2, which is going to be out soon. Make sure you follow us and subscribe us. Thank you. Bye.